Now we have distinct count function. Distinct count function, as the name is suggesting, counts the distinct values, right? So let's see the definition. Counts the number of distinct values in a column. The syntax is distinct count, and as a parameter we used to pass the column name, and this is the column name that contains the values to be counted. It returns a number of distinct values in the column. The only argument allowed to this function is a column. You can use columns containing any type of data. That means any kind of data type is supported. If there are no rows to count, it returns blank. Otherwise, it will return the number of distinct values or the unique values. It also counts the blank value. So the blank is considered over here as always the same. It is not supported for use in DQ mode when we are using it in calculated columns or RLS rules. Now, if I show you on into my Power BI desktop, let's suppose I have this order ID here. So there are some duplicate order IDs. Duplicate order IDs indicating that within one single order, let's say this is the duplicate order ID three times. So within single order, some customer has purchased three products, right? So for example, you are just ordering grocery from your Flipkart application, right? So inside a single order you add or you order multiple items. For example, you are adding atta, you are adding some kind of dal or pulses, you are adding some kind of rice you are taking. So this way, instead of having single row for single order, they have multiple rows, one for dal, one for rice, one for atta. So in that single order they have been adding here. So I just want to know that how many orders I have been delivered till now, or how many orders I have been listed here. So we can just calculate how many unique or distinct number of order IDs we have, right? So for that we have a function named distinct count, right? But if there are any blank values, that would also be considered here. But as I already know that there are no blanks into my order ID, I know personally over there into my data. So that's why I will be using distinct count here. So this is my DEX or calculation specific table here. I have attached the link how we can create this uh, dedicated table for calculations in my description. You can check from there, or else you can add just a new measure into your separate table or in your common table, right? So here I'm creating one measure. Here I am calculating distinct count of orders, right? So here we have distinct count, and inside this we have order ID. And if I commit it inside a card, I'll display this value. Let me change it to card visual, and we have 5009 distinct orders we have received, right? Let me copy the formatting from here and paste it here. So this is the way we used to calculate a distinct counts of any of the value.